Hello guys, welcome to Amber Health Beauty Tips. Today I am going to share with you one excellent remedy for weight loss. One of my family doctor has advised me this remedy for weight loss and I am using this remedy from past 3 months. I have noticed guys, I have reduced more and more weight loss. So come guys, let's start and I will tell you what are the benefits I am having in these ingredients also. So first here I am having fennel seeds. Fennel seeds, as you all know guys, it is good for weight loss and it is rich source of fiber which helps to stay fuller for longer, further preventing you for craving and overeating also. It leads to lesser calorie consumption resulting in weight loss. It helps to reduce fat storage by improving vitamin and mineral absorption in the body. So the fennel seed is good for weight loss. Ingredient guys, which is carom seeds. Carom seeds is best for weight loss, which is known as ajwan also. Ajwan has essential oil called thymol which has anti-inflammatory properties. This essential oil which helps to secretion of gastric and improve the digestive system also, which helps to improving the metabolic rate of the body. Last but not least, here I am having cumin seeds, which is known as zira, which helps to burning calories faster by increasing the speed of metabolism and improving the digestion, which you have a healthy digestive system and a faster metabolism. You will automatically lose weight loss. So how you for that come, I will tell you guys, this is the excellent way and this is my personal experience also. So I am going to grind all these 3 ingredients finely and then I will tell you how to make the drink. Guys, I have grinded all these 3 ingredients. I had forgot to tell you that I have taken all these 100 grams. I have taken cumin seeds, carom, and then all these 3 ingredients I have taken 100 grams. If you are taking 50 grams, you have to take it equal quantity. Now I will mix all these things. Mix it well. Before you are grinding, please check. Sometimes worms will be there in that. Please check, clean it and then you can grind it. See guys, I had mixed well. Now I will tell you how to make this drink. To add 3 cups of water. This drink I am going to make for myself and for my husband. We both are a little bit fat, so we are taking this drink. So we got it good result guys. See, I have added 3 cups of water. Let it be boiled. See guys, water is getting boiled. For 2 cups I am going to take, see the spoon, 2 spoons of water, and kindly keep it in a airtight now. Let it be boiled. For 3 cups of water, it should become 2 cups of water. Until that, let it be boiled. Then I will tell you. See guys, my drink is ready. I will tell you when you have to take this drink. The correct time of taking this drink is early morning before breakfast. You have to take 1 cup of this weight loss drink, and night time before you are sleeping. But one main thing you have to keep in your mind guys, just you are taking this drink, you will not reduce your weight. You have to control on your diet. You have to go for walk minimum 30 minutes, or else you have to do any exercise, or you have to go for treadmill, anything, but try to avoid junk food. I have did all those things and I got the results, and this is an herbal thing, that nothing is side effect with these things. So if you are pregnant, kindly avoid this drink. If you have any burnings like that issues, try to avoid taking this drink. But I am taking this drink from past 3 months. I got it result. I don't have any side effects. So kindly take this drink, get the benefit from the natural ingredients, guys. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe my channel, like and share. Thank you. Bye bye. Important thing I forgot to tell you, you have to take this drink warm only. You should not make it cool, and you should take it this when it is warm. Thank you, guys.